Kurumirira wongerereku wa mitino ya barabara guku bururi-ini, mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto ni augite ati mamwe ma maundu maria macungireirie mitino ino ni guthukanga gwa barabara, matereba kwaga kurumirira mawatho ma bara, athii kuhuthiriria riria mari barabara-ini hamwe na matereba matakinyanire ikiro.
The factors driving this concerning rise in these incidences are many and often involve a combination of low road capacity, poor maintenance of both roads and vehicles, law enforcement of traffic rules, and reckless behavior by motorists, passengers, and pedestrians. Abuse of drugs and alcohol, unqualified drivers, low awareness of traffic rules, and lack of consideration for others all contribute to high-risk road behaviors which endanger perpetrators as well as innocent road users.
Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria mitaratara mieru ya wigiririki barabara-ini nyumba-ini ya micemanio ya KICC, Ruto ni augite ati ukui niguo kihumo kia utonga wa bururi, no ni hari na bata muingi gukorwo ukigiririka riria mari barabara-ini.
With the continuous growth of our economy, the demand for road transport also rises, and indeed over 90% of goods and services rely on road transport wholly.
Mwena-ini wake minista wa ukui Kipchumba Murkomen ni augite ni kieha kinene kuona mitino ya barabara ni yongererekete na gikiro kinene kuma mwaka-ini wa 2022 guku bururi ukiandikithia mitino ya barabara na gikiro kinene, undu uria unyitetwo mbaru ni gavana wa kaunti ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja.
If you were outraged enough and angry enough, each one of us would do something every day to make sure that our roads are safe, because the greatest causes of accidents is recklessness.
Behind these numbers are called real tragedies, Excellency. Everyone who's passed on in 2023 or 2022 was somebody's child. They were loved. They had something to look forward to doing in life. Those dreams are gone. Those families are left with memories. Those families are left with grief. Those families are left with bills to pay.
Ministry ya ukui ni ihotorete gutigirira matereba othe ni mathomithio mawatho ma barabara hamwe na wigiririki barabara-ini niguo kuhukia mitino iria icungagiririo ni atwarithia a nduthi.
This is a sector that we have said that in the strategic plan we must train our drivers well, we must train our riders, and we must hold them accountable, Your Excellency.
Gukiri uguo, mwingi wa bururi wa Kenya urorete iguru ministry ya ukui makirigirira ati namba ya mitino ya barabara ni igukorwo igicoka thi na gikiro kia 50% harĩ 100. Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiru wa Maina.